Hello everyone, in the last video we have completed past continuous, that is the second type of past tense. Now let's continue with the third type, that is past perfect. This is the third type of past tense, past perfect. Okay. Now see this one, past perfect is used, or we can say where we are going to use the past perfect is to express an action which is completed before the starting of another action in the past. So see the structure of past perfect, assertive sentence. You can say the first keywords, that is before or after. Next one is the structure, that is assertive sentence is subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Now see the negative one is subject. What we have to do after the helping verb, we have to put the not. So this is a negative sentence plus object. Interrogative, in interrogative what we have to do, before the subject we have to put the helping verb. Our helping verb is had over here plus subject plus verb third form plus object. Don't forget the question mark. Interrogative negative is had, that is helping verb plus subject plus not plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. So this is our past perfect where the helping verb, or we can say the auxiliary verb, is had and the main verb is verb third form. Again see the structure of past perfect, that is subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. In the negative you have to put the not after the helping verb. In the interrogative first you have to put the helping verb before the subject and later on your main verb. Then interrogative negative, that is come first the helping verb, then the subject, then not and the verb and the object and question mark. So this is your past perfect. The next one is past perfect continuous. See the next one, past perfect continuous, that is the fourth type of past perfect. The key words, first see the use of past perfect. Okay, any action which is completed, which shows the continuity and completion of an action within a time period, or within a time we can say in the past. The keywords are since for, as we already have done in the present perfect continuous. The keywords is constant, that is since for. See the structure of assertive sentence is subject plus had plus been plus verb fourth form, or you can say verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time. Now see this one, past perfect continuous is basically, every past perfect continuous is basically the combination of perfect and continuous. Now see this one, subject plus had is your main helping verb, being is which shows the continuity, being is used to show the continuity, plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for and plus time. See the negative one, what you have to do, only you have to put the helping verb. Not after the helping verb, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for plus time. Interrogative is had plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for plus time and plus question mark. Don't forget this question mark. Interrogative negative is had plus subject plus not plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for plus time and plus question mark. Again see this one, assertive sentence, subject plus had plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for plus time. Negative, what you have to do, you have to put the, all you have to do is put the not in the negative sentence. In the interrogative sentence you have to put the helping verb first before the subject. Interrogative negative is before you subject you have to put the helping verb, and after the subject you have to put the not. So this is your past perfect continuous. Now see the use of since for, which we I guess we have already seen in the what present perfect continuous, the use of since for. Okay, see this one, since is used with point of time, which means you are given a starting point of an action. For example, since morning, since Monday, since 2000, etc. Now see the use of for. For is used with the period of time. Period of time, or you can say duration. Duration is like where you don't know the certain or the starting point of an action. It's just that for example 2 hours, for 2 days, or 2 year, 2 week, etc. Which means in the for you have only given the duration, not the point of time. आपको duration दी जाएगी, exactly आपको ये नहीं पता होगा कि at what point आपका action start हुआ है, बस आपको ये पता होगा कि वो action जो है वो कितने time तक चला है. It will show the continuity of your action, that is the duration. Okay, so this is the use of since for. Now let's move to our third type of tenses, that is future tense. See the first one, that is simple future. The first type of future tense is, this is your future. First one is simple future, right? Okay, simple future is used to describe, or we can say to express an action which is going to take place in the future. For example, the next moment any work or any action is going to take place is your simple future. The key words are like tomorrow, next, etc. Okay, now see the structure of simple future. Of first is assertive sentence, that is subject plus shall will. Shall will is the helping verb over here, are the helping verbs over here. Subject plus shall will plus verb first form plus object. Now negative is, all you have to do is put the note after the helping verb. Shall will plus not plus verb first form plus object. Interrogative, first put the helping verb, that is shall will, then subject plus verb first form plus object, and don't forget the question mark. Interrogative negative is shall will plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object and plus question mark. Okay, now if you have seen the structure, see the use of shall will. ओके, एज वी ऑलरेडी नो शैल विल का यूज़ जो है दैट इज़ यूनिवर्सली यूज़ होता है, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी नो कि ये मॉडल्स में भी यूज़ किए जाते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि इनके मीनिंग्स जो है वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. व्हेन इट इज़ यूज एज मॉडल्स वो कुछ और शो करते हैं, एंड जब आप इन्हें एज अ टेंसेस यूज़ करते हैं दिस शोज द टाइम. तो सी द यूज़ ऑफ सिंस शैल विल. Okay, shall is used with I and we, and will with the rest of the sentence, that is he, she, it, you, they, not we, these, those, etc. और whatever जो भी आपके आते हैं, any singular name or any plural that include in the will. ओके, अगेन सी दिस वन. शैल जो है आप आई एंड वी सब्जेक्ट के साथ में यूज़ करते हैं. इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग शैल विथ आई एंड वी दैट मीन्स यू आर स्टेटिंग योर सेंटेंस इन सिंपल फ्यूचर, एंड अदर देन दैट जो रेस्ट ऑफ योर सब्जेक्ट हैं उनके साथ में हम विल का यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ सी दिस वन, इनका जो वाइस वर्सा यूज़ होता है दैट इज़ इन द मॉडल्स में होता है. वो मॉडल्स में आप क्या करते हैं, इनका रिवर्स यूज़ कर देते हैं. बट हाउएवर वी आर स्टडिंग द टेंसेस. सो सी दिस वन, आई एंड बी के साथ में आप शैल का यूज़ करेंगे, एंड विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट यू गोना यूज़ विल. सो दिस इज़ योर सिंपल फ्यूचर. नेक्स्ट कम इज़ योर फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस. The next, that is the second type, is future continuous. Now see this one, future continuous use किया जाता है to express the continuity of an action in the future. For example, tomorrow at this time you will do some work. तो that to show the continuity of that action आप future continuous का use करते हैं. Keywords tomorrow, at this time, this is the only coming to my mind, so let's take in etc. If you have more words then put it in your answer. Okay, see the structure: subject plus shall will plus be, don't forget this be, plus verb fourth form, or you can say verb first form plus ing plus object. Again see the negative, all you have to do is put not. Shall will plus not plus be plus verb fourth form plus object. Interrogative is shall will plus subject plus be plus verb fourth form plus object and plus question mark. Interrogative negative is shall will plus subject plus not plus be plus verb fourth form plus object and plus question mark. So this is your future continuous. In the future continuous you have to use subject. The helping verb or the auxiliary verb is shall will plus be, which shows the continuity of your action, and plus main verbs fourth form. Okay, this is your helping verb or auxiliary verb or whatever you want to say, and this is your main verb. So our next type is future continuous. Do you understand this future? Sorry, do you understand this future continuous? The next one is future perfect. Okay, as you can already guess कि हम future continuous का use कहाँ करते हैं. Okay, see the uses of future perfect. Now see this one, future perfect is used to show, or we can say to express the continuity and completion, or we can say an action which is going to happen within a time period in future. एक टाइम के अंदर अगर आपका कोई एक्शन जो है वो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, दैट इज़ उसके लिए आप जो फ्यूचर में स्टार्ट होगा एंड इट विल कंप्लीट इन द फ्यूचर ओनली विद इन अ टाइम पीरियड, दैट इज़ योर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. नाउ सी द स्ट्रक्चर. I'm sorry, shall will, oh what I'm doing, I am sorry literally. Assertive sentence, that is subject plus shall will plus have plus verb third form plus object. Negative is subject plus shall will have plus verb third form and plus object. Interrogative is shall will plus subject plus have plus verb third form and plus object and the question mark. Interrogative negative is shall will plus subject plus not plus have plus verb third form plus object and plus question mark. So this is your future perfect. Okay, future perfect, all you have to do is use the main verb shall will and plus have, and sorry, helping verb shall will and have and plus main verb third form. Remember, in all the continuous tenses you have to use verb fourth form. In all the perfect tenses you have to use the verb's third form, and in all the perfect continuous you have to use only verb's fourth form. Okay, so our last type, that is the fourth one, is future perfect continuous. Okay, future perfect continuous, an action which is going to take place in the future within a time period which shows the continuity and completion of an action. See the structure, other keywords are since for. Structure of assertive sentence is subject plus shall will plus have plus been plus verb fourth form plus since for and plus verb fourth form plus object since for plus time. Negative is subject plus shall will plus not plus being verb fourth form plus object since for plus time. The interrogative is, first you have to put the helping verb, that is shall will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for plus time and last the question mark. The next one is interrogative negative, that is your shall will plus subject plus not plus have been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for and plus time. So with this we have completed the tenses. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.